La sua vettura viene ricoverata nei box. Incredibile sfortuna clamorosa.
Entrano le macchine qua.
Settimo Alfa.
from Ralph, really incredible.
Un grande team, grande soddisfazione anche per Frank Williams che torna vincente dopo un periodo di più alto del podio. Abbraccio anche con Michael Schumacher, una famiglia vincente.
Sempre prima la Ferrari con 40 punti, seconda la McLaren con 30. Questa è la situazione dopo il grande salire basta. Mi raccomando, non ce n'è bisogno, e voi potrete entrare in pista. Non fate atti con...
Inside of the garage at the moment with Michael Schumacher talking to Brother Ralph, and you couldn't see a bigger grin really from Michael, almost as though he's won himself. He's really, really pleased about it. That's great. And we're going to see the rostrum party up there in a moment. Well done to Ralph in particular. Great stuff. And as I say, a great return for Williams to upset that 0 ahead of
Yeah, it was the same situation, but this year I was a bit further, and luckily David gave me the space. And yeah, I think it was a clean start. Beside that, you know, from there on I was in front. I couldn't even believe it, to be honest. Then pull the gap out. Then after a few laps, I thought he was going to go a bit quicker, so I had to push again because I had to watch after my brakes a bit. And from there on, it was a pretty long race, I must say. I mean, you know, it took ages, to be honest.
I moved a little bit just before the start and had to stop the car, and then that's when the lights changed, so I then got too much wheel spin. And to be honest, I thought that I was going to be swamped at the start, but I presume Mika must have made a bad start as well. And then I sort of sensed Ralph was on the inside, and I was getting ready to move that way. And then obviously I had to move to make sure that there was enough space for us all. And then I was interested to know just how quick he would be in the race. And obviously, to my great disappointment, I found out he was quicker than I was. So, you know, congratulations to Ralph on his first victory, and to Williams BMW.
I had a slow start. I had too much wheel spin, but then, you know, I could follow everyone. I didn't know how many times they would stop, and I was just trying to overtake. I mean, Imola is very, very difficult to do that. I was losing time behind Mika, and luckily I had 3 more laps when he came into the pit, so I could go fast, and you know, and then my race was decided there.